What a beautiful day to go drifting. Saturday, July 13th, 9 a.m. I think you know who I am. Maybe you don't. If you don't, I'm Bruno. I drive an LS swapped 240SX in 1995. Pretty simple LS build under the hood of it. Going for Slideways Showdown mid-seasoned here today on the 13th, Saturday. You can see it's absolutely beautiful out here. Car's ready to go. Already had to get up, get the baby up, get the baby fed, get the baby changed and dressed, dropped off to the babysitter. Mama's working today, so me and Brian, we're headed down that way. We're back at home after mid-seasoned at Paynesville Speedway. Needless to say, the Monday drift depression is hitting hard today. Have to thank Emily, my wife, for supporting me to travel to a place like Paynesville. Obviously with a growing family, babies, it's not too easy to do that. Thanks to Brian Reichert, my teammate, for helping me get out to Paynesville using his truck and trailer, because mine's just not ideal to make the trip with. I love that track. I love how tight the walls get, getting right up on the walls and riding them, which I felt like I didn't do as good of a job in the competition with that as I did in the first competition. But it's all the grass in the infield, gives you a hard boundary. I know it's relatively forgiving. I know that you can de-bead there. I know that you can hurt some body panels there. But just coming from driving Lake Erie Speedway all the time, it's rewarding to have a hard boundary and not just all the big open racetrack space. So had an absolute blast for mid-season. Obviously ran up through the bracket for competition and ended up battling Colin for the win, and Colin took home the win. He drove his butt off. I'm super glad for the Total Loss guys. They've been putting in the work the last couple of years. Did an absolute job. His car performed awesome and rightfully, deservingly took home the win at mid-season. So unfortunately, 2 for 2 on coming in second place at Paynesville, but like I said, I always have a blast, and it's just an honor to be 2 for 2 in competition of making it to the final battle. And one day we're gonna get that W, whether it's at Paynesville or it's somewhere else, or at Paynesville and somewhere else. So